What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Please, before we start this video, leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. But check it out, guys. Today we are going down for about 20 minutes from my house to meet up with one of my close friends. And what we're going to do is we're going to check out a Hellcat. My man said he's been wanting a Hellcat for a while. This man loves Hellcats. Me personally, you know me, I drive a Chevy SS. But besides that, he loves Hellcats, and I told him, I said, dude, let's go look at a Hellcat, man. You want to look at a Hellcat? Let's go look at one. So today we're going to go check out a Hellcat. You know, I know a little bit about the Hellcats. I, hung out with people that have Hellcats, and they're really, really nice cars, and all the good stuff. Supercharged, making 707 horsepower, dude. Good power. But, you know me, I like my Chevrolets and, everything about them. So, for me, I'm like, I like my Chevrolets, but he loves Dodge and he loves Hellcats. So, we're going to check out the Hellcat and see, if he likes it. If he likes it, hey, tell him to get it, So, we'll check with y'all when we get there, we'll talk to him, see what he thinks about Hellcats, see how he likes the Hellcats. And then we will go to the dealership to check out the Hellcat that he is potentially looking at and looking to buy. See y'all guys there. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the store. See the SS? We finally made it to the store, and we're gonna go get my boy, ask him what he thinks about the Hellcats and all. So, let's see where he's at. It's gonna be a wild day. It's probably gonna be a long video, guys. Let's see what he's doing. Look at my man. What's up, bro? What's up?
Clothes up, everything, they'll be out.
So this is my boy Adam. He is actually looking for a Hellcat, and we're going to a couple places today to check out a Hellcat. What do you think about Hellcats, man?
They're like a boat, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. They're like a boat with power. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of other cars out there, but I don't know, man. I want to do that swap that me and you've been talking about.
So guys, there is a swap. I cannot tell y'all yet, but in a future video, keep up with it, and y'all will see a swap that is crazy, and it's gonna be freaking awesome as crap to see. And for us, we are going shopping today for a Hellcat. We're gonna check out a few places to see what they have and see what kind of Hellcats they have and see what kind of prices they have. And my boy says, bro, if it's a good deal, I'm gonna take that. So
Right
off the lot, he said. So you never know, guys. We might be walking away with a Hellcat today. You never know. So guys, we will see y'all when we get there, and we're going to check out the inventory and see what they got with the Hellcats. See y'all there. What's up, guys? So we made a quick stop, at the Golden Arches McDonald's.
Look, you can't go shopping for a car on an empty ass stomach. I'll just be real.
That's true, though. That is true. He has the point. So after we do this, guys, right here, we are going to go to check out the Hellcats, and then we will go to another store and check out the Hellcats. So we're gonna see y'all guys there. Finally made it to the first dealership. Hey man, what you think about it?
Oh, think about it, bro. Think about it, serious.
And he likes it. As y'all can see, it is a Hellcat. On top of that, it's a red eye. Unless they painted it.
Nah, they painted it.
They painted it? Ah.
It would have been detached anyways. It's a 392, man. 392. Don't worry, no Hellcat.
So what you think?
It's peanut butter. I like the peanut butter interior. By the way, this is why I go to the dealerships on Sunday. No offense to anybody that's watching this. That is, get away from the road. No offense to anybody that's watching this that works at a dealership or represents the dealership. But sometimes people just want to look without somebody coming. Hey, is this what you want? You want me to go grab the key? Come on, follow me. Give a man time to look at the car.
That's right.
What I hated about dealerships.
But as y'all can see, it is a clean Hellcat.
They don't got a sticker on this?
No, it's a 2016.
2016?
this is the one that he is looking at right now. We're going to go to a couple more places just to see what they have and see if they do got some Hellcats in. And we're going to check it out, check them out, and see what he thinks. But this thing is clean, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can, but it's automatic. It has the what, peanut butter seats, you said? And as y'all see, the SS is right here. But my man says, I want a Hellcat. So, the thing is clean. The bad part about it is, the crazy part about it is that it's at a Ford dealership, man. It's sitting at a Ford dealership.
We're lucky.
Yeah, just look until you come up on a good price. That's the thing. You gotta find that price, baby. Oh shit, you got a sunroof and all. Excuse my language, but you got a sunroof and all. I ain't even see it. That's crazy. I didn't know. Hey, don't feel bad. My car got a sunroof too.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, for a 4-door.
I want this one.
It's for sitting up. By the way, guys, if y'all have not followed the Instagram yet, please follow it. Follow. Okay, you know, just give me a little follow. Give me a little follow. That's all I need. All right, guys. So we are actually going to another place right now to check out, see if they have some more Hellcats, and if they do, we'll check them out, and if we like them, you know, my boy, and see what he likes. See y'all there. Alright guys, so we are stopping at the next place on the list, which is CarMax, to see if they got Hellcats, or he said if they don't got a Hellcat, they said Mercedes-Benz, right?
If it ain't foreign, it's born.
So
Hellcat contributes into the foreign.
So there you go, guys. We're gonna walk up in here and see what they got for sale, and if they got something good for sale, check it out.
We should get sponsored by CarMax. Just saying.
We should.
But I come check out some cars real quick.
See what they got out here. Daggone lot's pretty big. Hey, there's a Camaro over there. I don't know if it's a V6 or not. Oh no, it's convertible too. Oh no.
That's my personal opinion.
What'd you say?
Not my car.
There's Dodges down there.
We going to
Hey, we in some type of business, aren't we? We in business? Okay. Hey, bring on a 5 Mustang? Yeah, right there, white one.
It's gotta be a GT350, GT500. I actually like the Shelby edition. It came out with carbon fiber rims, carbon fiber, basically everything.
Get your EcoBoost, bro.
Save me a lot of gas.
So, right now we are looking at cars, guys. And, oh, they got a little Scat Pack. I don't like the red on it there, but a little Scat Pack. Oh man, got a Corvette. Tempting. Hey, the price tag's on it right there.
How would it break it in?
I don't know. Oh, look what the color is too.
Anybody?
Not too bad of a price.
Really not. Gotta be cheap,
Gotta find the good deals. Go close it 3 more times, bro. Make it worth it. You gotta check the doors and everything. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a nice car, nice Corvette. Kind of dirty, but you know, it is what it is.
That's gonna have tires, treads, everything. It's probably gonna have.
You gonna have the big old meats on it?
Any car that I'm about to get next.
Gotta put the big meats on it, man. Gotta put the big meats on it. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast.
Infinities.
Q60? 2?
Turbos.
Yep, turbo.
I'll upgrade the turbo. I'm talking about upgrade.
That's all-wheel drive. Then that's the just heard the all-wheel drive one. That's the S, because the just regular 3.0 is rear-wheel drive.
I'm gonna get this.
Hold up, coming. Just some, you know me. I gotta take a little go around on it.
They say, man, don't judge a book by its cover. Look at the inside.
Oh no! Oh
They
no!
crashed that car.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, check the other one. Check the one on the side. That was not bad. It was actually clean. Very clean.
You're playing. Could have been an S.
So guys, this right here is the all-wheel drive one. I'm pretty sure, not 100%. And this right here is the rear-wheel drive one. The rear-wheel drive one looked a lot better than the all-wheel drive one, which is really, really sad. But we'll keep looking around this parking lot, and if we don't find nothing, we'll go hit another place up. What do you think?
Might as well. I got nothing to do today.
Hey, you back on Mercedes, bro?
Man, why you go pick the slowest one?
You never know, man. You never know. You can soup it up. You can soup it up. Come on.
AMG.
AMGs?
AMG.
AMG only.
AMG only.
Got it.
There was a nice AMG here.
It was?
Yeah, there was the S63.
Shoot.
It was dark green with red.
Is that the one you showed me?
No, that was the GT Probus.
That's right. That's right. You want a BM Dubs? So guys, I just car shopping to see what we can find, but get
For
you.
reality.
You know what would be awesome to find though? Mercedes wagon.
That'd be nice.
That would be very nice. Guys, if you could ever get one thing, which is really, really clean, it's a Mercedes wagon, right?
Can't beat that.
You get a
There's only
Jag.
one that I've seen so far.
They're really rare. They're really, really rare here. Really rare here where we stay at.
Suspension on
Okay, we got a Land Rover here. Oh crap! Land Rover, that's low. Lowered Land Rover, bro.
No wonder they got rid of it.
Clean interior. Kind of dirty right there, but it's clean. So, golly, look at that price tag. Whew. You scratch your head on it. Scratch your head on it. Oh man.
Tesla. Can't beat Tesla.
Oh no, man. That's the.
Well, but
I don't think that's the P100Ds though. It's not the fast ones. Get anything, get a fast one, bro. I don't like the molding. The molding's kind of wore out. Check the molding. Look at the molding.
This is weird.
He's over here. Look at this guy. He's playing with it.
I'll be back.
It's not bad. It's that price, $63,000, dude.
Yeah, but you need two hands to open up.
Yeah, no, forget all that. Forget all that. I ain't telling you, that's too high tech for us.
Me no speak no English. Me no understand. Porsche, they're nice.
What is that? The Cheyennes? Something like that?
I think this is the GT one. Yeah, GT.
Oh, dude. The mic and GTS.
How about we tell the viewers for you to sell me your car?
No, man, I can't do it.
Come on, man. Sell me your car.
He wants to sell. No, can't do it. Can't get rid of the car. Can't do it, man.
Yeah. They're nice.
A-spec.
No, it's really hard to find cars.
Keep searching around. I'm surprised they got such a small thing of Dodges. Most people carry a lot of Dodges and Fords and Chevrolets, but
Yeah, I would have been surprised.
then again, you got a whole line of GMC up there, GMC and Chevrolet. So, and they got one Corvette on the lot, which is really, really, really weird. But we're gonna still hit some more.
I'm about to lose weight. I don't like walking.
Hey man, we're losing all the weight.
Should have grabbed the scooter.
Losing all the weight, bro.
Twin turbo. Think
turbo.
Twin turbo minivan.
Soup it up. I'm sorry, man. I can't see you driving this.
Me and Preston in the line.
Oh.
It's too hot. Oh my god, how hot it
You messed up, man. You already blew the horn and all.
is. Wow, it's hot, man. What about motorcycles? What do you think?
Motorcycles? I know where Motorcycle Place is. It's right there. It's right there beside Bob's Mills. Another car deal. Yeah.
All depends on who's got. Right?
That's true.
You're on the motorcycle. Don't pull me.
What? That's how you gonna? What? Wow.
How you win?
Man said he gonna he gonna run into me. That's messed up. Well, we can go down there, travel down a little bit more, take this back way back here, and then go around and go up to Bob Mills on it. Sounds cool. Bob Mills. Hey, Bob Mills got built cars. That's where we're going now. So guys, we'll get back with you right here in a few minutes when we go to Bob Mills, and we're gonna stop by the bike shop, see what they got out there for sale with the bikes and the cars. See you there. All right, guys. So we finally showed up at Bob's Mills, looking at some cars. Camaro?
No, not bad.
I think this one right here has stuff done to it. Manual. $2,000.
We'll get it right now.
Corvette. 20.
This says 2K.
Corvette. 28.
Your brother already got that one. I can't.
Can't, but then again, it's convertible. Yeah.
Mercedes, AMG.
He said nope.
Know what I was thinking about, Preston?
Q60. Old one. Q60S with a little 3.7 in it.
I'm still convertible, hardtop.
V8. V8 5.7 Hemi.
This is actually really good too.
That one there's the old one. I think this one there's cammed. Pretty sure.
This one captured my eye.
Haha.
If I fall, you gotta cut that out.
I'll crop it out. I'll crop it out.
You see me tumbling down there.
I don't know. I think they got some more cars, but they're probably at the back. I don't know.
You got that one right there.
What?
Interested in that black one.
Man, golly. Little Beetle. Yeah, there ain't much over here. I got a Mustang, that's about it. But besides that, that's it. What you doing? Trying to hide, man. It's not bad. I mean, they got some nice ones up here.
I'm gonna get the VIN off this one.
Which one? The Z01?
Oh man, look.
Oh man! Oh dude! Mint. God. Hey man, yeah, you can get all the women with the daggone convertible off. Put the thing back.
Problem is, if we put turbos and we do, you know, make
Little K20 swap. Get a K20 swap, yeah.
Don't want tire fronts coming off. Just think about it.
Top cutting off too. Driveway convertible.
3, 2, 1. Then you dog it. The whole thing comes off.
It's gone like that.
Right away.
Be like that guy Sketchy Vert.
I should get the Jeep for every time you break down.
Daggone Dodge going for it. No man. No man. That ain't it.
Lunch.
That's snacks, bro. Snacks.
Hey, my bad, my bad.
Hey man, that's them Skittle packs. I don't know, guys. This is all for jokes. Just chill. Don't take nothing personal.
Yeah, please don't. We like to joke around.
Seriously. Yeah, don't take it personal.
It's too short. Man, I can't stand this heat.
It's hot, guys. It's hot. We are baking up in here. Look at it. Alright, so on to the next place, which is down more that way. So here we go. Catch y'all there. Yeah, so we finally made it here. Looking at the Corvettes, as y'all can see. This guy, he gonna keep messing with me, man. Look at him.
I think I found it.
Can't take my car, man.
It comes with a GoPro stand. Oh man, look. Even a Red Bull.
He's messing with me. He keeps messing with me, guys. But anyway, back to what we was doing. Looking at this. I don't really like the white walls. What about you?
White? No, hell.
What about them things around there? Ooh. They got Corsa exhaust though. Hey, you got the gear shift paddles.
I want it. What does it?
What's that right there? Like 20 bucks? 26 dollars. Yeah, I think you can buy it. Yeah. And then we got this white one here. We don't really want to do the convertible. See, you don't really want to do the convertible, but it's clean. But it's not something that he wants. He says. Anyway, let's go over here and look at the other cars which they have. No, it's mine. It's not for sale.
Oh, he even supports 1320. You guys gotta check their videos. Really nice videos that they got.
Some really fast cars on their channel too. We do got big plans. There is big plans in the works, but we can't really give you all the information on all of that yet because that is secret.
Scatty.
Little scat pack.
5.7.
What did I call it again? A Skittle pack.
Skittle pack. I guarantee you it's a 5.7.
And then you got your 2 convertible Camaros. So
5.7.
everybody wants a convertible. Nobody really wants a convertible. Just messing around. Oh, look at these things. Clean Cadillacs. But they are not the... Huh?
I was looking into...
Yeah, but man, I'd much rather have the V's. Because these... Come on, man. Come on, really, bro. It's not it, bro. It's not it. Well, I mean, they're nice, yeah. Daggone, he almost missed the daggone ramp, but look at that. Gosh. There's some nice cars out here.
Hey, yo, cuz, you gonna send me some money? I'm trying to buy a car. That's what I love to hear. I don't know, man. I'm looking for a new car. Getting tired of mine.
Chilling.
Hey, you on the vlog with it.
But
you know what we should do?
What's that?
I'll let the workers cover one day. I want to get on that.
Man wants to go pay 20 bucks to ride.
Is it 20?
It's 20 bucks to ride a helicopter, bro. I swear to God.
Yo, 20 bucks to ride a helicopter.
Oh man, no, hey.
Ours is like 250.
Hey, look. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Spray painted up under. Oh man, and it's rusted. Got a little bit of rust right there. Jesus. Down bad. So guys, I'm pretty sure we are going to check out the import dealership, right?
Yes.
We're gonna check out the import dealership, see what they have there. And if we can't find nothing, that is fine. We will keep searching in other ways, I guess. Oh, never mind. You want the van. You want the van. The van is the move. The van? Party bus? Party bus? Oh, yes.
Party bus.
We'll get lit. Whoop, whoop.
Okay, and everything. Man, we can make money.
Well, a party bus, bro.
We can.
You gotta change them rims, though, bro.
Oh, no, it's gonna be lowered.
22s? 22s?
22s. Maybe 20.
24s? 24s? Oh, I can dig it.
Let me see. Dude.
Okay.
Party bus, that's
Okay. Alright guys, well, we'll get back with you when we hit the next dealership. We have been riding, checking these dealerships, and now we are going to leave this place. The helicopter is back, he says. He wants to ride. But we're going to leave this place, check out the other dealership, and if we cannot find nothing, then we will try to search other ways to find something worthwhile, as to say. Have some little fun. So we did not find a Hellcat today, or whatever he was looking for, which is sad. Him, he's wiping his eyes. But we will keep looking for him and just keep up with the videos. Reminder again that we are going to be at Battle at the Beach in Myrtle Beach next Saturday. It's going to be a great time, bunch of racing, no prep racing, and see you on the next one. You got anything to say?
God bless everybody.
Hey, by the way, if y'all have it, please check out 88 Tobacco and Vape on Instagram. Tell them what you got. You got everything, huh?
Basically.
Everything.
There's a lot of stuff that I have in there. You just gonna have to come check it out for yourselves. And we are beating everybody's prices, that for sure.
So there you have it, guys. Hope y'all have a nice rest of your day. And see y'all boys in the